Super simple follow along workout to strengthen your hip muscles, your outer hips, your inner thighs, and even your regular thighs. You're gonna be against a wall. Put your feet a little bit away from the wall. You figure out what keeps you stable. You wanna have your feet as wide as you can comfortably be without feeling like you're gonna fall over. If that's shoulder width, that's fine. If it's wider than shoulder, great. Play with it. Over time, you will develop more options. Then we're gonna drop down low to whatever feels like a comfortable challenge. And now the timer starts. We're just hanging out here. Feel those muscles start to work. Make sure you feel your glutes squeezed. You should feel your thighs working. Dig into the floor with your heels. Think about even pulling them a little bit in towards each other or kind of in towards you. That'll help you feel your inner thigh muscles working a little bit more. And take a rest. You can come out of it. We're going to take 30 seconds rest. As you're doing this, make sure that you are staying in a range that is not painful, that doesn't make you wince. You need to still be able to breathe. On this next one, if you feel like you can go a little bit deeper, we're going to go a little deeper. Make sure as you go deeper that your knees and your toes are staying lined up. I don't want a knee to collapse or to like start bowing out like this. We want to keep things lined up as best we can. Okay, so now let's go down. If you can get lower this time, go lower. If you can't, no problem. And keep breathing. Remember that tension in towards yourself or heels towards each other will help you feel some inner thighs. You should also feel your glutes squeezed. Tops of your thighs are probably talking to you. And take a rest. Another 30 seconds of rest, and we're going to do just one more round of this, and we're going to call it a day. Simple, easy hip workout that you can come back to tomorrow, or maybe even later today, if you really want to. Just remember to listen to your body. ABC, always be calibrating. If it feels like you're doing too much, you might be doing too much, especially if you're a grown adult with responsibilities and you don't have all day to recover. All right, so this last one, see if you can go a little bit deeper if it's possible. If not, no worries. If you want to change foot position, play around a little bit, absolutely okay. Figure out what feels like a comfortable challenge. Now we're in it. Timer starts. Inner thighs, thigh thighs, glutes, feel them working. Nice job. Congratulations. That's 3 rounds for 30 seconds each round. Let me know how you felt with this quick workout. Drop me a comment down below. Think of this as a small movement snack for your hungry hips. Because it's not a hardcore intense workout, you can probably work up to doing this every single day. But if you ever feel too sore to do this safely, then just skip it and do some other kind of movement snack to help your hips feel good. And of course, consider adding a more comprehensive training program to make your hips happy. Subscribe if you want more simple workouts like this, and watch this video if you want to understand the details of this exercise. And for a detailed blueprint to rebuild your hips at home, check out the Healthy Hips program linked down below. And remember, pain sucks, life shouldn't.